World Travel Expo Southern Mindanao. Umarangkada na sa isang mall sa Davao City. Makibalita tayo kay Heidi Hipolan.
Opisyal nang binuksan ang World Travel Expo 2025 sa Ayala Mall's Abriza Activity Center dito sa Davao City na inumpisahan nito lamang May 30 at magtatapos sa June 1, 2025. Itinatampok sa World Travel Expo 2025 ang 26 na exhibitors mula sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao na nag-aalok ng eksklusibo at kapana-panabik na mga travel deals ngayong summer season.
Right now, we are having our World Travel Expo here at Southern Mindanao, and I'm inviting you all to visit World Travel Expo Southern Mindanao here from May 30, 31 to June 1 here at Ayala Malls, Abriza, Davao City. So, magkita-kita po tayo dito sa Ayala Malls, Abriza. We'll be offering the West packages sa travel, destinations, sa iba-iba pong region. We have here mga travel agencies, airlines, and also mga hotels and resorts na based here in Davao. And also from Boracay, our LGU from Boracay joined us also.
Ang isinasagawang World Travel Expo 2025 ay ang pinakamalaking travel expo sa Davao City. Mag-enjoy sa mga exclusive travel deals tulad ng airfare, hotel accommodations at marami pang iba. Sa mga nagpaplanong maglakbay kasama ang inyong mga kaibigan o pamilya, ito na ang iyong pagkakataon upang tuklasin ang World Travel Expo 2025.
So as you can see, everyone here is excited in Abriza Mall for the World Travel Expo. I see a lot of exhibitors joining, and I believe many more are interested to join. It just shows that a lot are really taking interest, of course, in travel, and we're very happy that Asia Events brought it here in Davao region, in our city of Davao. So with that, we'd like to invite everyone to visit here. We have so many exhibitors from hotels. We also have LGUs who joined here and many more.
Itinatampok ng World Travel Expo ang malalaking pangalan sa larangan ng travel, luxury, lifestyle at adventure na nag-aalok din ng maraming diskwento.
And I'm thrilled that we are here for the opening of World Travel Expo, which gives an opportunity to more Filipinos and international guests to discover the Philippines. So, welcome, daghan salamat.
Tara na at tuklasin na ang mga exclusive deals kasama ang mga kapana-panabik na mga hotel offers mula sa mga pinakamahuhusay na travel at hospitality industry. Ito na ang tamang panahon upang planuhin ang inyong next adventure. Mula rito sa Davao City, Heidi Hipolan para sa Mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.